Kawasudo nyako Ramogi ni tuke mag golf mar Shabiki.com e tielo machielo ibiro sire paw tugo mar golf ma Muthaiga. Shabiki duogo e sir makama e tielo mar adek higni adek maluore gi sir mar siling1,000,000 kod miyo jotugo gige tugo ne piemgo. Jotugo duto ni kod thuolo mar loyo siling1,000,000 ka gitugo jackpot moyiedhi mar tuke 15.
Just a club, it's a legacy, and we don't take it lightly. The chance to stand alongside it and to help put this tournament in front of more Kenyans than ever before. So here's our promise. We'll bring our energy, you bring your excitement, your excellence, and together we give the Patrons Cup the stage it deserves.
Our format is Ryder Cup. So 3 days, 5 games, and on Sunday, we crown a winner. So as captain, I invite you all to Muthaiga. We have a village, lots of food, lots of fun, and lots of good golf.